You can read the installation instructions on the AEZAKMI.run. For installation, all you need to do is to go to the page Try for free. Click download AEZAKMI, then click here for the downloading. The installer will offer two versions for installation, default and ungoogled. In the ungoogled version, all Google services are cut off, and by default there is a search engine called DuckDuckGo. I installed the default version. Okay, now restart your PC to apply all settings. I won't do this because I have already installed it. After a successful installation, two shortcuts will appear on the desktop: the Create New Profile and AEZAKMI Browser 1.